Very good morning, one and all. Welcome to my class, Geography, class 8th, chapter 3rd, Minerals and Power Resources. Topic: Types of Minerals. There are over 3000 different minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified as metallic and non-metallic minerals. मिनरल्स दो प्रकार के होते हैं, मेटेलिक एंड नॉन मेटेलिक। मेटेलिक दो प्रकार के होते हैं, एक फेरस एंड नॉन फेरस। लेट अस डिस्कस फर्स्ट मेटेलिक मिनरल्स। मेटेलिक minerals. Minerals that contain metals are called metallic mineral. Metallic minerals have a luster or shine of their own. These are associated with igneous and metamorphic rocks. These are ductile. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. Iron ore, bauxite, manganese ore are some example. Metallic minerals are further divided into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. Ferrous minerals. Minerals that contain iron are called ferrous minerals. India is rich in ferrous minerals. Example: iron ore, manganese and chromite. Non-ferrous minerals. Minerals that do not contain iron are called non-ferrous minerals. India is poor in non-ferrous minerals. Example: copper, silver, lead and gold. Non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals that do not contain any metal. Non-metallic minerals do not have a shine or their own. These are associated with sedimentary rocks. These are not ductile and can be broken by impact. Limestone, mica and gypsum are examples of such minerals. The minerals fuels like coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. Ore is raw metal found in the earth mixed with other materials or impurities. They are generally located in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Extraction of minerals. Minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling or quarrying, and mining are of two types. First, open cast mining and shaft mining. Let us discuss mining. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. Minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. Deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach minerals deposits that lie at great depths. This is called shaft mining. Drilling. Deep wells are bored to take minerals out. This is called drilling. Quarrying. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known quarrying. During the process of quarrying, huge amount of dust accumulate that pollute the air and can become an environmental concern in near future.